Hello everyone, welcome to IdeaBox Creations, and today in this video I'll show you how you can add a product carousel to your WooCommerce website using the Elementor page builder. Before we start, make sure you have these three plugins installed on your website: Elementor page builder, PowerPack add-on for Elementor, and the WooCommerce widget itself. If you don't have any of these plugins, you can find download links in the description down below. For this, first of all, open the page where you want to add the product carousel and open it using the Elementor editor. Let's start by adding a new element. Look for Woo Products widget. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the widget, so that means PowerPack's Woo Products widget. Drag and drop it on the page. As soon as you'll add the widget, you'll see all your products pop up right away. Right now you might see a grid format, so to change this you need to change the layout. In the content settings you'll find the layout subsection. Here you'll see the layout as grid and carousel. Select carousel and all your products will be displayed in a carousel format. Further, you can select the total number of products you want to display in your carousel, the products that are being displayed at the moment, and also the number of products that will scroll per click. You also get multiple pre-designed skins and you can select them from the drop-down list available at the top. Simply click on the skin that you want to display and that skin will be applied automatically. For the carousel settings, you get to customize the transition speed. You can also enable or disable the autoplay option. If you want to display a grab cursor when the user hovers over the carousel, you can do that too. You can enable or disable infinite loop, arrows and dots for navigation. For the products that you want to display, you can set up a custom query as well, where you can select each and every product that you want to display in the carousel. You can select them by categories, types, tags, or any other format that you want to add. You can also add them individually if you want that. If in case you do not want to show products or a group of products from your carousel, you can use the exclude option, and further you get advanced filters and ordering options that you can use to order your products. Now for the content, you can customize every single cell and select what content that needs to be displayed in your carousel. You can enable or disable the category, title, title tag. You can also make the product link to the title. Further, you can enable or disable customer ratings, price, short description, add to cart button, and you can even change the button text. If you have product badges on your individual product images, you can customize them too. You can customize the badge position, text. You can also customize the featured, top rated and best selling badges separately. For the product image, you can choose if you want to link the product to the image and make it open in a new tab. Further, you can also choose the image size that you want to display and the hover effect for the image. I'm going with the zoom image hover effect and this is how it looks like. Additionally, you also get a quick view option. If you enable this, you'll get a quick view hover effect where you can click on the product and all the product related details will be displayed in a quick view pop-up. With all these options, you can customize the content and structure of your carousel. Now to look at the styling options, let's head over to the style tab. Starting with the layout, you can customize the column gaps, box background color, box padding, border type, and even the box shadow. Now for the carousel content being displayed under the images, you can customize the alignment, background color, content padding, and for title, price, and out of stock text, you can change the color, hover color, typography, and the spacing. Here I am making some basic changes to color, hover color and typography so that the design of the carousel matches with the overall design of the website. You can also separately customize the product badges like the one we have on the screen, the sale badge. For all the badges at once, you can change the margin. For the sale badge, you can change the styling, color, background color, typography, size, borders, and padding. If you have Lightbox enabled, you can change the overlay color, background color, padding, border, box shadow, close icon size, close icon thickness, and even the close icon color. For the navigation arrows, you get multiple arrow designs to choose from. Further, you can position and style your arrow as per your needs. You can also make color and background color changes and even add border radius and padding to the same. Now, just like the arrows, you can make customization to dots as well. For dots, you can change the position, size, top spacing, bottom spacing, color, border color, active color, and hover color, respectively. All the options here are pretty standard and you can make changes to the design easily. Once you have made all the required changes as per your website design, click on the publish button to make the changes live. After making all the changes I made in this video, this is what my product carousel looks like. Let me know what you think of the WooProducts widget by PowerPack Elementor Addon, and if you found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.